common to feel a lot of anxiety, nerves, self-consciousness, maybe insecurities when you're at the pool, especially when you're in deep water. So today we're going to help you learn how you can overcome those fears with 5 really helpful tips for new adult swimmers. My name is Paige and I'm from MySwimPro, and I'm excited to help you overcome those fears so that you can enjoy the water. Whether you swim for your health or to get good exercise, or maybe you even want to set a goal of competing one day, we're going to help you feel like you can overcome those fears and enjoy the water. All right, let's go. Before we get started, I want to remind you that it's always important to swim with a lifeguard. Make sure there's a lifeguard on duty and scan the pool wherever you are. Whether you're at a local lap pool or a resort pool like this or the beach, make sure you understand your surroundings and maybe you have a buddy there to make sure that you're safe and comfortable wherever you are. Step 1. Visualize your swim. Before you hit the pool, try visualizing what a positive swimming experience would look like for you. Walk through every step of the process. Arriving at the pool, getting in, having fun, and leaving the pool safe and happy. Number 2 is to let go of negative self-talk. If you get a rush of nerves when you walk out on the pool deck, they can often manifest in negative self-talk. Maybe you get caught up in how intimidating other swimmers are, or you feel like everyone is staring at you in your swimsuit. Remember that everyone is doing their own thing, and they likely aren't paying much attention to you. Also, every experienced swimmer started where you are. So don't worry too much. You are doing your best with where you are, and that's what counts. Number 3 is to ease yourself into the water. When you're ready to try getting into the water, start small. Begin by standing on the first step or sitting on the side of the pool with just your feet in the water. Maybe practice some deep breathing so your body calms down. As you get more comfortable over the next few days or weeks, you can increase the depth of the water until you are standing in water that's shoulder depth. Number 4 is to learn to float on your back. A lot of people are really afraid of sinking to the bottom, and the best way to combat that is to learn to float on your back. Learning to float is a super valuable skill, and you can do it in shallow water. We have a video that will teach you how to float, so I recommend you check it out. Get comfortable on your back and your stomach to really feel safe in the water. Number 5 is to practice dunking your head. If you are nervous about putting your face in the water, practice at the wall. Find a spot next to the wall in the shallow end of the pool. You should be able to stand there. Hold on to the wall with both hands and dip your face in the water for 1 second. As you get more comfortable, you can increase the time. And when you're really comfortable, try blowing bubbles underwater. Remember that feeling comfortable, safe, and confident in the water will take time. It might take you a couple of swims or hundreds of swims to get to the point where you feel like you know what you're doing when you show up to the pool. And that's okay. Remember that feeling comfortable in the water will take time. It takes a few swims for you to really feel like you know what you're doing when you show up to the pool and feel safe and confident in your swimming. We hope that these tips will help you in your swimming journey. For more tips, subscribe to the MySwimPro YouTube channel and download the MySwimPro app to start your personalized training plan tailored to your beginner goals. Leave us a comment below and share with us what was your journey like as a beginner swimmer. All right, happy swimming!